Williams, working for AspenTech, and I'm the Vice President of Product Management for our manufacturing and supply chain products. AspenTech was founded in the early 80s. It has approximately 1,300 employees, has a global presence, works predominantly in the process industries, focused in petroleum, chemicals, all sorts of chemical subverticals, from specialty chemicals through to bulk chemicals, as well as pharmaceuticals. We also are active in areas like power, pulp and paper, but those subverticals are not as strong as our main focus in petroleum and chemicals. In oil and gas, we focus on a number of key problems for our customers, starting in supply chain with the planning and scheduling of the supply chain. And we put a big emphasis on optimization in our solutions. So we tackle problems like optimizing distribution networks for petroleum companies so that they can determine how to make the distribution of gasoline, for example, as profitable as possible, making best use of their assets, whether they're refineries, terminals, or transport modes. Not only do we plan production and optimize it, but we schedule it. And we do that not just on the supply chain basis, but also at individual refineries. So we plan and schedule refineries, and our planning and scheduling tools are leaders in the marketplace. 70% of the world's refineries, for example, use our tools for planning their production. But not only do we plan and schedule the refinery production, we then also have tools to help you to execute on the production as well. So we have advanced control technology that's used to drive process units in refineries to their limits to get maximum throughput and highest yield of high-value products. And we also have technologies for production accounting, for measuring exactly what was produced, as well as more general information management tools for gathering production data and helping to inform decision support decisions. We have a number of key solutions. So in the supply chain space, we have solutions for distribution planning, which we call Petroleum Supply Chain Planner. We have technology for inventory management and operations scheduling, which we call IMOS, which is used for scheduling the petroleum supply chain. We have tools for predicting demand for different products, which we call collaborative demand management. In the refinery context, we have PIMS, which is our production planning technology, our petroleum scheduler technology for scheduling production in the refinery, our DMC Plus technology, which is the advanced control technology for getting the most out of the production assets, the process units, and our IP21 and layered products for information management, production accounting, etc. AspenTech made a major shift in favor of Microsoft technology some 6 years ago. We'd always had a lot of support from Microsoft, but that was a major strategic shift, and since then that's been our emphasis. So over 95% of our technology now is based on Microsoft technology. Whether it's SQL Server for databases or SharePoint for visualization solutions, Microsoft is the preferred platform for AspenTech. Sales is organized on a regional basis, so we have a North and Latin American team, a European team with a subgroup in the Middle East, and an Asia Pacific team. We have an overlay of global accounts, so there are a number of global accounts, typically in the range of 7 or 8 to 10 global accounts. They have a special team focused on a global basis. Within each region, we have a regional leadership, a senior vice president responsible for the sales in that region. And then we have not only sales account managers, but business consultants who support sales on a regional basis. We're very account driven, so there are account strategies for each of the key accounts, and those are executed and planned on a regular basis. And there are collaborations when it comes to best practices and sharing best practice experiences on a global basis, driven out of our corporate sales operations team. I think on the regional basis, there's a very good opportunity for collaboration, so making sure that there's alignment with the regional leadership I think is key. Recognizing that AspenTech is account driven is an important factor. Also recognizing that AspenTech has from year to year specific sales initiatives which it may give priority to, and some of those might be particularly relevant for collaborations with Microsoft as well. So that might give an extra impetus to that type of collaboration. AspenTech has a lot of power to deliver to the oil and gas market. Its solutions are highly valued. They deliver a lot of value to our customers, mainly through their optimization abilities, their ability to really deliver profit to the bottom line. And quite often the value propositions are extremely strong. I think as AspenTech we have to do a better job in working with Microsoft to harness the value from these solutions and harness a win-win for both companies. I believe the opportunity is there.